My adlaw coffee came this morning. This is from MCC LA branch. Adlaw coffee with glutathione. I love this coffee. It's organic. And the first time I tasted it, I like already. So now I ordered 6 boxes. When I was in the Philippines, I ordered I think 3 boxes. And now here in US, I ordered 6 boxes. It contains 15 ingredients. Bye now.